Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do a simple ponytail tutorial that you could easily try out at home. So today my hair is a mess. It is thick. So first things first, I'm going to have to detangle that. What I would like to use is just a wide tooth comb because it's easier and it doesn't really hurt my hair as much. So I'd like to just comb through all the different sections of my hair and just make sure everything is nice and smoother than before. This is why I like doing these styles on like freshly washed hair because it's usually softer and you can easily get through your hair quicker. So after detangling my hair, I like to use a brush for starters because I think it smoothens out the outsides of the hair so that by the time I use a comb again, it can actually get through the hair in the middle when the front hair is already soft. So just to detangle a little bit more and make sure that I can hold my hair into a puff much easier. So yeah, next step, just hold your hair into a simple ponytail. You can center it or you can actually put it anywhere. So as soon as my hair is nicely held into a ponytail, you can use a simple hair tie for that. I just proceed with a brush just to smoothen out, my puff and make sure the hair is lying down really flat. If you have natural hair, you know how difficult this is, but this kind of brush really helps. So for extra hold, of course, I'm going to use the Eco Styling Gel, and that is what is going to give us the nice slick effect and the nice slick hair. And of course, it is actually going to help you hold all those little flyaways that you can't really get a hold of. The Eco Gel is going to help with that. So make sure that you apply to all your hair, just around the puff. Make sure that everything is looking nice and neat before you proceed to anything else. So the brush will help the Eco Gel to penetrate through beyond the first layer of your hair. So that's why you continuously brush until you feel like your hair is nice and perfect. Today my hair has actually been thick, so that's why I need to comb through a little bit more than I usually do in my other videos. That's why I say if your hair is freshly clean, usually it is much easier to do this style. But around day 4, day 5, well, it gets a little bit harder, so you would have to comb through a little bit more for the Eco Gel to really dissolve into your hair. So after I'm done combing through my hair, I just proceed to put a silk scarf over my head. That will also make sure that the Eco Gel settles in really nicely in my hair. So in 10 to 15 minutes, your hair will be ready, and it's okay for you to now remove the silk scarf. And if you just look at your hair, it's going to be nice and sleek, and the Eco Gel actually helps your hair to be wavy. So now I'm going to proceed to use a hair tie to just kind of hold the kinky braid that I'm going to use for our ponytail. And yeah, you can just smoothen it out. Make sure you don't have a lot of flyaways on the braid because that will be itchy for you on your hair. So just make sure that you clean it out and make sure that you remove any flaky flyaways. And then you can proceed to put it at the center of the hair tie so that it's easy for you to, put onto your braid or onto your ponytail at the back of your hair. So now I'm just going to proceed to dress this up. What you do is the same way you would put a hair tie around your hair is the same way you're going to do this. So just put it around your hair. Make sure that you secure the ponytail as much as possible. Not too tight that it's going to hurt you, but just enough that you feel comfortable and that it's going to hold the hair in place. So I'm going to separate these into 2 sections as you see. And starting with one section, you're going to just roll this around the ponytail. Yeah, just make sure that you get all the hairs, get all the tiny ends and tuck them in nicely into the ponytail so that you can have a really nice finish. Then for just securing the hair a little bit more, you can use some bobby pins. The number, it really depends on you. However, I use between 3 to 4 bobby pins, and that is usually enough. With some of the flyaways, you can easily just tuck them in with your hair and you don't need to put a lot of bobby pins. So now I'm proceeding to roll the second bundle of hair, and I'm just rolling that around, my puff. No complications, no nothing. It's just quite easy. Just rotate it around your puff and make sure that you secure the ends very well with a bobby pin. And yeah, now we have our hair. So already it's looking good. However, just to make sure that you have a really nice finish, as you can see, Kinky hair is really rough textured, and as you roll around onto your puff, it is actually going to mess your hair a little bit, so you'll have some flyaways popping out. Now that one is just quite easy. What you can do is just get some extra eco gel and apply that onto a toothbrush. So I prefer using a toothbrush because it's smaller and it just makes sure it captures all the tiny pieces of hair that are popping out. So yeah, I use a toothbrush. Just make sure everything is nice and flat, and I just lay the rest of my hair. If you want to, lay your edges, feel free. You can do that at this point and just make sure your hair is looking on point. For this specific video, I just prefer to not do that, just to have a really nice clean finish. So now I'm just going to quickly finish up, laying my hair down and making sure that everything is nice and flat. Now, as soon as I'm done applying the extra eco gel, I'm going to proceed and use a silk scarf again, just to make sure that the extra gel I've applied is also nicely blended into my hair. And that will also ensure that all the flyaways are really nice and flat when I take off my scarf. So now it's time for the final reveal. I'm really excited to see how my hair is turning out, and I think it looks stunning. My edges are laid down flat, and I like the fact that my hair is looking really neat. If you see the curl pattern that is in my hair, I think it really matches very well with the texture of the Kinky hair braid. So yeah, that's a plus. Now just make sure that your hair is clean. If you have any tiny imperfections, you can use this time to just clear things out and make sure things are looking good. But I already love how this turned out, and I think this is something quick and easy for you that you could try out at home. So let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video, and please, if you tried this out, feel free to share a picture or just send us a comment in the comment section below and let me know how quick and easy this was for you. Also, make sure that you can secure your puff and cover it nicely inside the braid. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really enjoyed making it for you, and I hope that you can give this video a thumbs up, and please make sure that you subscribe to this channel for more and more content. See you in the next video, guys. Until next time, bye bye.